I came on because there is a noise that's happening every so often, and I had to record it. I wanted to go live. I can't go live, but I needed to record this. I don't know what it is, what the noise is, but no. Can you hear that? I mean, there's no way not to hear this. It was more frequent, and one after another. Now it's just... This is so the Antichrist thing, kind of. And I guess this guy also came to see where the noise is coming from. We're all just freaking out. What is this? This is so like, we used to see in the 80s, we used to see in the future there's going to be something going on, and the Antichrist and this and that. Well, now I see it more and more happening. And so, yeah, that car also came to see what is that noise. Because we can't figure out, well, what is this? Where? And the location. Oh my God, this is scary. It's something in there. What the hell is it? And I thought I saw something. Does. What is it? What is this? can it be? What can that be? And it's coming from there. Jardem Estelar de la Bobili. What is there? That's just a garage. Salvo Bilia Kadalaha ven. Te diken Katara velo noise. Everybody is wondering. What is that? What's the house? Chedar. Godon noise is scary. And I mean, I am so scared that it feels like something is gonna come out. I don't know. I don't even know where it's coming from. I thought it was that garage. It sounds here very close. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go because I don't know what it is. There's no way I can find out because I don't know. It's just too weird. And you can hear it for 3 blocks. What is it? I'm scared. Can you believe that? I am actually scared. I'm gonna end this.